welcome. In this particular video, we'll be talking about media in the digital sense, right? So basically, we want to look at media. How we as digital marketers, how do we see media, right? So let's look at what is the definition of media. Can you try it? All right. Now let me give you a definition of media, right? So media in the digital sense simply means the various mediums or channels which information or communication can be sent or received. Now, in other words, media is means of mass communication, right? So in the olden days, we have stuff like town crier, and traditionally we have like newspaper, we have radio stations. So these are channels which people use to communicate to like group of people. Now, as digital marketers, we want to see how do we carry out the information about our product that we want to sell and services that we want to render and to our target audience, our people that want to sell to online. So what channel can we use to convey this information and communicate to this group of people that want to sell to online? So basically, that is the media in the digital sense. Now, in digital marketing, we have three basic kind of media that you need to know. Now, what are those three media? Number one, the first media is called owned media. Now, what is owned media? This is a type of media that is owned by a business or brand. They are in charge of all content or posts on their medium, which could be websites, mobile app, blog, social media pages, or profile pages, right? So that is what we call media, owned media. So owned media are all channels that belongs to you as a business owner, right? So for example, your website, it belongs to you. You're not paying anybody, so it is yours. Your social media pages like your Instagram profile page, your Facebook page, your Twitter page, it belongs to you. For you to post there, if you post there, a group of people are going to see it, thousands of people are going to see it. It is yours, right? And you're not paying a dime to post on this platform, so it belongs to you. So we categorize all those kind of media that belongs to you as own media because you're not paying anybody to use it, right? Now, the next media that I want to talk about is paid media. Paid media. So what is paid media in digital marketing? As the name implies, it is a type of media business paid for, e.g. Google Ads, Facebook or Instagram campaign, paid influencers, etc. So paid media is every form of communication that you use on social media or digital marketing generally that involves you spending money, right? Now, on own media, you're not spending a dime to post on your Instagram handle and stuff like that. But now, in paid media, you want to reach out to more people. You might post on Instagram and try to run sponsored ad. You must have seen sponsored ad on Instagram and stuff like that. It falls under paid media. You must have seen ad on Facebook. You must have seen ad on Twitter. You must have seen videos on YouTube. When you want to watch YouTube, they show you adverts, right? Those kind of advertisements, which falls under what? Paid media, because you are spending money to gain that kind of publicity. So publicity that you don't spend money to gain on social media or on search engine, they fall under paid owned media, while the types that you spend money to pay to gain is fall under paid media. For example, even influencers. If you use influencer, you carry out influencer marketing, but you're paying an influencer to talk about your business online, you're still carrying out a form of what? Paid media. Now, the last but not the least kind of media in digital marketing is what we'll call earned media. So what is earned media in digital marketing? This is a type of media a business or brand have earned based on the reputation and authority such firm or brand have gained over time. This can come in form of blog, article, or social media post or mentions about a popular brand, a popular or big brand. So basically, earned media is the kind of publicity you get as a business owner as a result of your industry, as a result of your authority in a particular industry, or as a result of your authority in a particular niche, right? So what is your authority? Now, for example, if a big brand, let's say Apple, for example, right, decide to launch iPhone 12 or iPhone 13 or iPhone 16 or thereabout, right? Now, influencers, bloggers begin to talk about this particular new launch of Apple phone, not because of Apple is paying them, but because of Apple already have a name in that particular phone manufacturing industry, right? And Apple is gaining publicity from this bloggers talking about them without them paying these bloggers, right? So that part-time publicity that Apple is gaining is what we call earned media, right? So basically, in media and digital sense, we have three kinds of media. Own media, the type that belongs to you, you're not paying a time, and you're getting that publicity. Paid media, the type that you gain when you actually paying some money. Example, you're running ads. And earned media, the kind of publicity that you gain when someone else is talking about you online and you're getting publicity. Even if you go online right now, you tweet on Twitter about NetDI. I'm taking a digital marketing course on NetDI and it's awesome. Everything is awesome. We are not paying you for it and you're talking about it. We are actually gaining a publicity for free and it falls under the earned media category. So these are the kind of media we use as digital marketer, right? So if you want to do it effectively, you want to carve out a strategy for your business in such a way that you are using both own media, paid media, and earned media simultaneously, right? So if you can use these three kind of media simultaneously, you are doing awesome as a digital marketer and you're doing well as a business owner as well. Now, in the next video, we'll be talking about something really, really awesome in the next video.